welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Mario here, back with another video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back with another video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. More than just know that I sound so sick. Yeah, I know I'm so sick, but that's not even gonna get in the way. But anyways, as you guys can read by the title, today I'm gonna be installing my wig from Brazilian. I'll leave the link of the wig down below for the ones that's gonna go ahead and wanna buy it. I bought this wig for about $70, so feel free to click the link for a free cheap wig. It's not too high, not too low, just in the middle, which is too perfect for the ones that want to buy it. For the ones that love social media, go ahead, follow my TikTok and follow my Instagram page. Snapchat is going to be here if you want to follow my Snapchat. I don't encourage anybody to subscribe, but I do mind if y'all subscribe. You feel me? Yeah. So anyways, let's just get into this video. I only opened this one time when he arrived, so look at see, y'all can see it has everything y'all want. The lace is so perfect. You guys, this is literally my first time cutting a side wig, so I may struggle a lot in this video because I never done this before. Literally first time. And it also comes with the wig cap too, for those ones that love wearing wig caps. It comes with that, so yeah. I don't wear wig caps, like I really don't. Just my thumbnail. So basically what I'm gonna do next is, where did I just put it? Cause somebody close my door, Margaret, since you're right there. Yeah, so gonna take this. Rubber bands. Since I don't have clippers, I might just take it here, tie it over here. It's kind of a little messy here. And see, I already tie the back. Okay, I'm trying to see if this is the right middle part. Okay, because I like still having my hair cutted straight in a perfect line. Actually, now I'm gonna push it back, fold this back like this, obvious. And I'm gonna get the hair glue. But yeah, I recommend some of y'all be careful if y'all don't like your hair ending up losing your hair. And for my people that don't care, I can literally go ahead, cause me, I'm basically used to this. You basically put okay, I don't know if I'm following the right rules because Okay. Cut it for, I think, 5 sections. And then on this part, I'm gonna have to do some of this. I should have checked this spot more careful, because I don't know if this was in here, because that wig cap could have. Chandler, I thought you were sleeping.
I feel cold.
I feel like I did it wrong. Like,
personally, I love your bed.
of course you love my bed.
It's comfortable.
Oh shit.
And no matter, shall it be a something, okay? Wait, a something. We need to comb, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
This is scaring me. Yeah. The lace is too dingy to close. I'm gonna cut it again so nobody see my lace.
That's the wig you buy?
Yeah. I don't like the fact that my lace is showing. Ugh. This is where I was supposed to put it, because I kind of feel like it's so far back. Because my ass never did this for myself. So, it's kind of scary.
Mother, can you go get my phone? And bring the charger?
I hate this. Ah! This is totally a fail. Like, I feel like. Over here, and a really thick, but I think it's because I don't have the light that I want.
You want me to charge it or?
It's full already.
It is full already.
Bring it.
Which one is this? Is this yours?
You must really give it to me too.
You have seen I did everything off camera, so yeah, I was kind of having so much trouble, but eventually I kind of got there. There's the glue, and you close that up. I don't even know what the fuck it is at. but everything will go back into its spot. I'm trying to like brush this back up. Some kind of cut it. Now I'm gonna just undo this so we can get the parting part and everything set. There should be a parting right somewhere here. I don't know where. So that sad part is gonna be for next time. This is obviously middle. Dang. Everybody don't like me. Like, I'm really having a hard time here. Can you just like me already? Like, so I can know where the hell my part is. Oh shit. Key protection. I want to do like a middle part bun, but no. My heart is eventually telling me no, because first style that I was planning on doing for this video totally went flumped, big fail. So like, we're not gonna do anything more stupid, so we just gonna stay with this. Okay. I still fighting for my life, cause yeah. Okay. And so I don't know if this is gonna basically work, but sometimes it's just good to give things tries. Okay. I guess I must say it's working, but not fully working, because this is basically just churning oil and oil. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I feel like I'm doing everything wrong. Shit, I just burned myself. Ugh. Mm. And the camera is not giving too good process. Oh. Okay. Okay. And we're missing some water. Okay, a lot of hair. Okay, now we're back. I don't like it how it's showing into the camera, but you know what I always say, trust the process. We gonna get there. Okay, there you go. I feel like I'm frying it a little bit more loose. Okay. Y'all, this is the look. I'm not done yet, but it's just missing a little bit of water. Cause now we just want to move on to the edges, and when we're done with the edges, now we just gotta work on the edges. And then here is flat iron, I guess. Oh shit. Okay. I just gotta make it way flatter. This mirror's pissing me off. So Yeah,
Kelly wants you.
I'm coming. Gonna cut my edges. Like, we really gonna cut my edges. I need edges. I don't want too much. The edges should be at least right here, right? So I'm gonna give you the final look when I'm basically totally done. I feel like it's wide. I feel like on one side done. No, it's unplugged. I forgot it right there. Hey y'all, this is the final look. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. The light is so ugly than before, but yeah, this is the final look. But it's cute, you know. But see you in my next video.